Welcome to Batch Image Upscaler, the ultimate Photoshop plugin for upscaling multiple images automatically with AI-powered quality enhancement. If you've ever needed to upscale dozens or even hundreds of images, you know how time-consuming and tedious it can be to process them one by one. That's where Batch Image Upscaler comes in, saving you hours of repetitive work. Let me walk you through how easy it is to use this powerful plugin. First, let's look at the interface. The plugin features a clean, intuitive design that makes batch processing simple and straightforward. At the top, you'll see the Input Folder section. Simply click the Browse Folder button to select the folder containing your images. The plugin automatically detects and counts all supported image formats, including JPEG, PNG, PSD, TIFF, and BMP files. You'll instantly see how many images are ready to be processed. Next, choose your output folder where all the upscaled images will be saved. This keeps your original files safe and organized. Now for the exciting part, the upscaling settings. You have complete control over how your images are enhanced. Choose your upscale factor, either 2 times to double the size or 4 times to quadruple it. Whether you need images for print, web, or high-resolution displays, we've got you covered. For the upscale method, we recommend Preserve Details 2.0. It uses advanced AI technology to deliver exceptional quality and works reliably across all Photoshop versions. This isn't just simple resizing, it's intelligent upscaling that preserves fine details and textures. You can also enable enhanced quality to apply smart sharpening after upscaling. This adds that extra punch to make your images crisp and clear. If you're working with photos that have grain or noise, toggle on the Reduce Noise option. It applies noise reduction before upscaling for even cleaner results. Choose your output format, PNG for lossless quality, JPEG for smaller file sizes, or TIFF for professional high-quality output. If you select JPEG, you can even adjust the quality level from 1 to 12. Once you've configured your settings, simply click the Start button and watch the magic happen. The Progress section shows you exactly what's happening in real time. You'll see which file is currently being processed, how many have been completed, and a visual progress bar need to take a break. No problem. Click Pause to temporarily stop processing, then resume whenever you're ready. The plugin remembers exactly where it left off. If you need to stop completely, just click the Stop button and the process will end gracefully. Here's what makes this plugin truly special. While it's processing your images, you can see the AI upscaling in action. Each image is opened, intelligently upscaled using Preserve Details 2.0 technology, sharpened for enhanced detail, and saved in your chosen format. All automatically, the plugin handles errors gracefully too. If any image fails to process, it logs the error and continues with the next file. You'll get a complete summary at the end, showing how many images were successfully processed and if any failed. This is perfect for photographers who need to upscale entire photo shoots, graphic designers preparing assets for print, e-commerce businesses enhancing product images, or anyone who works with large batches of images. Imagine upscaling 100 images that would normally take you hours of manual work, now done automatically in minutes while you focus on more creative tasks. The plugin is lightweight, fast, and integrates seamlessly into your Photoshop workflow. No complicated setup, no external software required. Just install and start upscaling.